Hi, this is the unboxing of the boAt Rockerz 261 Sports wireless earphones. Let's take a peek at the extra info at the back first. These earphones run on the Qualcomm CSR8635 chipset, designed to ensure security and better connectivity. Rockerz 261 has up to 8 hours of music playback. It also has integrated controls with voice assistant and inline mic. Additionally, it is IPX7 sweat and waterproof, making it extra durable. Now it's time to open this box. Inside there is another box. Opening that reveals a round carrying case. This is a very good touch. It also has the boAt logo on top. There are also some documents like the product information and user manual, standard procedure with most devices these days. In this smaller box, you will find a micro USB charging cable, also pretty standard these days. Now let's take a look inside the case. And there you can see the boAt Rockerz 261 Sports wireless earphones. It has a very chunky and uniquely designed integrated controls for music and voice assistance. It also has these massive hoops. This ensures a secure and comfortable fit. The earphones are also attached to a flat TPE cable. This is a great addition as flat cables are mostly Tangle-Free. Finally, there are some extra earbuds for you to choose from. And that's all you'll find in this box. Thank you for watching.